Junior should come on camera and apologize. And even the youths are saying you should apologize. You know me, I'm just a calm. I'm a calm.
Think he lies that much, or he lies, or he lies.
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. Yes, night don't reach for here. I'm gonna take her as it be because tomorrow today busy. Let me just film this video so that I can publish it on Sunday. This our sister Mihawi about David Jr. and borehole. I be the wait. May she, address the issue. May I see how she will take address the issue. I know everybody get their opinion, but if you drop your opinion, I can watch. I can see something talk. I'll bring and come my channel. Because she na person when they defend them. You know me say they defend them, say na bad thing is good. She dey defend them, it's good. She dey fight for them. But when you see truth, please try and stand for the truth. Okay, na my own. Maybe my own not fit be truth to you, but maybe for me, for my side, na truth to me. But maybe for your side, my opinion not fit be truth for you. If you are a content creator, why not go and set up your camera, then bring it out and say it the way you see it. Let's listen to her, Mihawi. Let's listen to her about David Jr. borehole. Where is her? Where is her? Where is her? Where is her?
Is coming back and listening to me each and every day. It really does mean a lot. But they like comment section. On my comment section, there's someone who was really throwing fire shots at me, calling me a hypocrite because I'm trying to avoid a conversation that's going on in Nyabohanse. I'm like, yo, what conversation? I haven't even checked Nyabohanse. I haven't even been like the Nyabohanse team that I normally work with. Mostly was in Mombasa here last week or this past week. So maybe my attention has been was there so much. My attention was with Mayugno, Mapopo, not Mayugno, Mapopo in a way, Nasto, Maja, and other people. Paris Momo and other people around Mombasa. So maybe I got distracted in a way because maybe I was excited in doing this vlog that I'm doing. I know I also do vlogs for those.
You get distracted. People when you be their soldier, police. People when you the guy for you to streets. Haba. Imagine they really hire you to be their body guy. That is how you will distract. Can't do your work. Haba. Now with that comment, you don't drop and you don't forget David Jr. You don't use that create content pass. You don't use that chase a crowd. Then you just this my sister. Haba. At least. Where your workers reach, at least you try to look all of them. Then you go so they look at least every time. You'll say, what did this my oga do today? What did this my chef do today? What did this my oga at the top do today? At least you'll try to look around. How with that commenter? You not drop comment. That's why you go for just leave her. Nobody to defend her. Nobody to fight for him. Mihawi. Now this one they say you they fight. Where is the fight when they fight for them? Oh, yeah, like here, mom.
No, you can go check them out. Yeah, so they're amazing, nice vlogs. You can just go check them out. So a lady was firing shots at the comment section. Not even one lady, several people were dropping comments. So I'm calling me a hypocrite for not calling out the issues that are going on in Nyabohanse. I was like, whoa, chill. What issues are going on in Nyabohanse? Allegedly, they're saying there's Devi has lied about something. And knowing Devi, I don't know. I don't think he lies that much, or he lied. So I don't think he lies that much, or he lied. So I want to.
He know David. He know David. He lie, but he not lie too much. He know David, but David don't do the lie too much. But he know say David they lie. She not be he. She know David they lie, but not be that too much. We how we know say David Jr. he lie, but not that too much lie. But she know say David Jr. they lie, not too much. I hope they understand.
Get to the root of all this so that I can get to understand really what's happening. Where is the lie? Is there miscommunication or something like that? So I went and watched the video that David did yesterday. No, like is it a week ago? Because I haven't really watched it. So I hadn't really watched it, sorry. So I went and looked at it. He talked about a project that's going on in next to where his building is a project. He has a project that is constructing. There's a structure of something. There's a development. Is developing some projects in Nyabohanse stage where their old home used to be. So. And from that video, I saw it's a truck. I don't know these trucks that drill boreholes. That was drilling a borehole. Let's also know that drilling a borehole is one very expensive thing. It's not like a well. A well is something people can get in there and drill. Drilling a borehole is a damn expensive project for one to undertake, for one to take into their own. Just to do, drilling a borehole is not easy. It's not something you can just wake up and say you're doing. It's a project that you must have planned for a long time, and it costs a lot of money in terms of millions. That's what I think. Because that's something that's supposed to serve the whole community, serve like the whole Nyabohanse, David Jr.'s projects, and other people around there. Okay, so I kind of looked at it, and he talked about the project. He was talking. He said we are building, we are drilling a borehole. We are. So I was trying to understand who is these people who is saying we are. Is it in collaboration with the government, or what is happening? That maybe I don't know. Is it a government, or who are these people? Because it was, I didn't see anywhere say where maybe the project. I didn't, maybe, unless it was not so clear. I did not see anywhere saying that it was a government project or anything. He did not mention that to me. But then in the video, sorry. So it was not clear. He was talking about we are drilling a borehole. Where I was like, okay, wow, maybe this is an amazing thing. The first thing I noticed, what I said was, wow, that's an amazing thing. The first thing I thought was how amazing that was. Drilling a borehole. People have issues, even where I come from, my home, issues with water. Like, water is a problem because most people rely on rainwater and springs most of the time, and also maybe river. Maybe people draw water from the river. People take showers in the river, wash utensils in the river, which is normally most of the time is not very safe because now there's cholera and all those things. People get sick sometimes. So because this water that's flowing, people use it over and over and over again. So it may turn out to be infectious or something like that. So having a borehole in a community is something worth really commending someone when someone does that, something like that. So the first impression I had was, wow, that's amazing. If you're really doing that, that's amazing. But of course, he cannot have done it by himself. He must have had some collaborations or something like that. So I went ahead and listened to the video. He talked, then he got distracted by a story of these other people, maybe tried to buy some people food. Then at the end of the day, at the end of the video, he said, like some people, anonymous people, also an anonymous person was also helped, maybe was part of the project. Okay, so I don't know who this anonymous person is. Some donor or something. I think it's a donor or an anonymous person was part of the project. So what I did not really understand, because he didn't really declare who this person he's working with is, because that's what I understood, that's his project, that's what he's doing. So he must have been working with someone. So my question was he working with the government? Chances are he's working with the government. Because he said he's very lucky to be associating himself with people in the government. This is someone he cannot interact with some people in the government. So my impression was that maybe that he is working with the government mostly. Until then, he said at the end of the video that there's someone, an anonymous person that is also working on the same project that has maybe contributed towards the project. Okay, so I didn't see where he said he personally is doing that project. I didn't really see.
Mihawi, let me clear your doubt. Let me go look for that particular video where your brother say, me and my mommy, bringing borehole to our community. No. Try and watch video. This is why I try to tell people. Watch video. Look video well. Watch and then bring your own points. You can bring your own points, and me, I bring my own points. Maybe if it be the same, maybe it not be the same. But for you to say David Chino not say, not be him, they bring borehole. So Nyabohanse is lie. Mihawi. First of all, wetin you mention, you say you confuse whether David Junior don dey work with government, because to bring borehole to village, David Junior can afford it compared to a person when he set up a no foundation. He can afford borehole. Let us ourselves the truth. D1 can afford borehole. Amawa can afford borehole, because I watch D1 live stream when some people they suggest D1 try and bring borehole to your community. D1 attack the person. Me person I tell the people to why not go they tell person that D1 than government. Now government now go they attack say me they bring borehole. Now their own to say let me dig borehole for my home. Then people feel they come they fetch the way when Nigeria we they do one. If you dig borehole for your house, then normal people go come they buy, or they come they take water, then they will go their house. D1 go not be with the viewers, the commenters, the subscriber, not be who will tell them say make they go bring borehole. They are watching the light when David Junior say, oh my people, let me still play that part, because I know say I don't fair watch her. Let's replay it again so that this our sister when he say she not hear her from David Junior mouth, maybe she go hear her when she see her picture for this my thumbnail. Maybe she go like to click say, my thumbnail is like it because yes, we they click, though we'll pretend say we know they watch. We they click video. Let's watch this particular David Junior.
Thank you so much. I feel so blessed. Like it's a dream come to reality. And yeah, my friends, they're supporting me to do this. So I want to give a special shout out. I don't want to mention the name, but thank you so much. I'm forever the name, but thank you so much. I'm forever humble. I'm grateful. Like he's a game changer, because we need a lot of water here in the construction. And look what God does. God did, man. I'm excited. What do you think?
Even because I'm also excited, man, to see this kind of
Development
in our village. Yes, I appreciate it. Yeah.
Guys,
hope you hear that part. David Jr. said, I'm storing water. Maybe when you watch the long video. My people, hey, drama day Nyabohanse. Maybe when you watch the long video, it can do anybody, yes. Eh? Let me clear your doubts. Let me clear your doubts. Yes. Maybe when you try to watch the long video, you don't pick that point, that part. That is why we say, bring your evidence and deliberate on that part. Don't just be talking. No, you are not creating your own content. You are using people content to talk on your channel. Then bring the evidence so that people will understand where you are coming from. I hope you understand that part now. Don't say, I don't see where David Jr. said, I hold the borehole. But he just said, people is supporting me. People is bringing water. I don't even know how you say it. But people are already listening to you. Do not sugarcoat issue. First of all, you said, you know David Jr. lie. According to your words, people can hear. You know David Jr. lie, but not too big like this. But now you are saying it, David Jr. lie. You see somebody you are fighting for. It's good you fight. Don't get it twisted. It's good you fight, okay? But fight with your brain. Those people are just, for me, a person like David Jr., when I watch that video, I watch like child play, you know, let me use this thing to create a content. Because when you will see, if you watch that my video I published today, when you will see the way he was like, you know, dodging, doing body, you will understand that this guy just catching his crew, try to, you know, bring out something, you know, bring out something to people to see, people to talk about, or try to let people know, look at what I'm doing. Oh, he forget there is a guy in that village that he have attacked, and that guy have, you know, a link towards government things in that their community. He forget there is somebody like Masuan who will blow him bomb out. Then he was busy. Oh, dream come true, you know. Then that our brother, he come out. That our brother still do another video. He said, David Jr., come out and apologize to Nyabohanse. We need that apology. Let listen before I call it a day, my people.
Is raising the tank so that the villagers, people from Nyabohanse can use. So this is one of the development, and we are so great. We are so great that this thing has come today to these Nyabohanse people, because as I said yesterday, watu walikuwa wamesumbuka sana maji. People had struggled to get this water, and thanks to the government, because you have all the proof. You have the proof. I have the proof. If you want me to show you even the money that was allocated for this, hata ile pesa iliwekwa hapa. Yeah, I'm saying even the money that was used to dig this borehole, I have the evidence. Yeah, if I will open it and just click and share, you'll be shocked. Yeah, it is around 3 million. The million is that? Yeah, 3 million. Huh? So that hii kisima kujifike to dig this borehole until it is equipped, it is 3 million. You can convert that. 3 million, you can convert it to US dollars, you can convert it to euros, you can convert it to pounds, and you will see how much. 3 million and something. Yes, I have the evidence, I have the papers. Because this is a free thing. Each and every citizen has got that thing now, and I've shared with them. I've shared the evidence with them, and now they know. So the junior should come on camera and apologize. And even the youths are saying you should apologize. You know me, I'm just I'm a calm youth. I don't want maybe here and there. And as I said yesterday, hii ploti on that is nimefika huko tata. Hii plot is ya serikali. Hii plot this is the government plot. That is what you are trying to say. So the plot of David Junior is the way it is fenced there. Yote uonyeshe vile plot inafika pale. Unajua inafaa kupiga njia hapa hivi. So this is the government plot. You are supposed to dig the road. You are supposed to dig the road here. The road is supposed to pass here, guys. Yes. Until here. Even this one. Even this thing. This thing, you know, David Junior came and brought it here. This thing. David Junior came and brought it here. David Junior alikuja akaweka hapa hii mchanga. Hii ni sehemu ya serikali. Hii plot yote tata, mliko mzee. Hii plot yote ya serikali. Inapita hapo tata. Inaenda hivi. So this land is for the government. So once we build, once we drill the water, we shall hata ina talk. Even this house is going to be brought down so that we can have the way, and we can show them. You can each other, and they can show you. This is the land. So the road is passing here. This is the road that is passing here, like this. So the road, this is the road. This all is the road passing here, like this.
My people, I hope you hear from Masuan. David Jr., I hope you hear from Masuan. Masuan said, the youth in Nyabohanse need your apology. For you to claim a borehole where it not belongs to you. I think not be me talk am una hear from Maxwan. Then Maxwan say this project now over 3 million Kenya money, you know, those people who know Kenya money, over 3 million. Now government say do the borehole. No be David Junior do the borehole, but I know say David Junior fit still do one. Now 3
This
million.
entire way is the road. Huh? This entire. So the plot of the Junior family reaches here. And that's the truth. It is 100 by, it is around 50 by 100. It's just a small plot inside there. 100 by 50. They bought there.
This our brother still get you for body. You want try to don't deal with any people when they're quiet. Don't be say they're mumu. People when they just they try to do there, because when you look this guy, he respect this family. He bring himself, carry sugar, go meet this family. You know, appreciate this family, this mother. Say, now you train me. Now you just because of say your person when you with another they agree. He share his video. Now just pick on him. He's very quiet, but don't bite person like this. You see the way he's trying to break everything down now. True, David Junior plot of land where they try to develop is very close to where government they put borehole. You know, now still opportunity, now still good thing to David Junior because he's close to borehole now and he go help him work. Then he just like to claim, and for me, I look at like child when you want act smart, when you want play, when you want, you know, for me, I don't get anything. But where I don't like, waiting not belongs to you, don't claim it. This guy, when you try to paint like charcoal, Maswan is working, Maswan is like this, Maswan is like this, Maswan is giving out information. I regret collab with Maswan. That your video don't even go. It don't even pass Nyabohanse. It was still around Nyabohanse. And a whole David Junior, Maswan collab with it. He don't even hit 1,000. I don't know about now. But that time, he's not out to 1,000. It's not out to 600. It was there. The view was so low because you don't share him to your community. The community where your brother is fighting. I am my wife fighting Woodmire, that both of them collab. That Woodmire refused to share his video to his community or to link under the video. They do together. But you collab with Maswan. You never share Maswan to your community. You never link Maswan link to you. You see this like that's why I said don't ever feel the title to this person. They are not your brother. They are not your sister. We just meet on YouTube street. Then do the one you can do. Smile with you. Smile with. Don't smile with you. No, do your face as far. You are not going to his house to collect food. You are not begging him to give you something to eat. You know, you don't have anything that is assisting you. Just YouTube. YouTube can be anything. You know, it can be close. It can still bless you. It can still, you know, favor you. But don't just take it like, you know, you are so a title for somebody must bless you. Somebody must help me. Somebody must. This guy, for me, Maswa was trying doing his own. Maswa was respecting himself. Maswa was, you know, trying to collab, but there was there busy. Then when who mentioned their name, Modesta Lifestyle, you know, he shared this guy to her community. Let me say, Coco get bring him to the light. Then Modesta Lifestyle, he blow this guy up. She's the one that really made people to know this guy. She's the one that made people to, you know, then they start bullying him, talking bad about him. David Junior also, if you look this man, according to our tradition, African tradition, Maswa is older than David Junior. But David Junior have insulted this man anyhow. People come to his house. People come to his village to talk about this guy matter. Now, this guy is revenge. But my brother, I will still tell you, me, I don't like fights. But when you don't come for person, people come for you. Use long stick to deal with them. I believe that is what you are trying to do now. Do it a little, then leave everything for God. It's God that fight for you. It's not you. But for David Junior to open his mouth, what he don't do, he said, I do it. Maybe he don't even know when he do it. Maybe now, by now, maybe he's regretting. Yes, what is this? Why did I pronounce it? Sometimes we do something, later we regret, we realize. You understand? For me, just let him be. Leave him. All the Nyabohanse youth, you guys should leave him. He's still your people, he's still your brother. He's still your friend. No matter what, he still remain David Junior, the king of the Nyabohanse, the drama. You see? Yes, no matter what. My brother Maswan, me apologize on David Junior on behalf. Whether he apologize, he don't apologize. Just take her as your junior brother. Your junior brother can make mistake. Your junior brother can wrong you. Your junior sister can wrong you. You will chase him out. No, you will not chase him out. What you will do, you will take him close. Then you will encourage him. You will advise him. I like your content, the way you talk mature, the way you are, the way you do things. I believe some of Nyabohanse content creators I'm watching. I watch. I believe you are among of the best that I watch, that I will see that learn. Not about go school. Me not go school. But some people, they go school, they first get that brain. Plus school, you'll see, wow. But some people, they don't go school, but you see say, I think they get sense, but they don't go that school writing. For me, see you, it's like you get the both side. You quiet, you they look them. When they park, they go. They'll park, they go. Now, your God can't catch. They see when you want to catch your enemy, always pray to catch your enemy here, so that he will not see where to escape. Here is still good. Here, oh fucker. If you catch your enemy here, please, before you see, he will release. But once you catch your enemy here, like David Jr. now, he can't come out. How can David Jr. come out now and defend something like this that said, oh, I'm not the one, oh, and I never say it. His voice note is everywhere. His voice note is all over. What to say, what to talk, what to do. That is why David Jr. is just quiet. Not he don't have something to say. He will still come out. Oh, the hater, my great train, my girlfriend, my this. He and the girlfriend are on vacation. They are enjoying it, groovy. You know, he's hey, fly a vlog with me, vlog with Mickey. They said he drink on to pass because David Jr. fly her on aeroplane flight. If flight, here we come. If hey, you don't David Jr., you are scattering this our sister. This our sister with love. Oh, please don't break it in her heart. I'm begging. Me, Naija Daughter, I sit down here. Don't break vlog with Mickey. Don't break her heart. So me, I'm here. I'm here because the love you are showing this our little sister and the thing they scatter her. Dada. I will suffer bring their video, but now let us end this here. Mihawi never say you don't hear it from David Jr. David Jr. pronounce it that I'm bringing water to my community. Kudos to my mommies who support me. Never say you don't hear that. If you say you don't hear, go and rewatch that video. Collect cotton bud. Use it to clean your ear so that you hear well. I watch a bad Carol video you address. Okay, now let's go there, my people. See, I see you in my next video. Let me end it here. Let me go on prepare something because tomorrow Saturday I will not have chance to film for my tomorrow or Sunday video. This video is coming on Sunday. You guys will watch it. Okay, give me thumbs up. Why some people will just watch my video? You guys will not give me thumbs up. I can't do now. I'll thank you now. When they give me thumbs up, now not subscribe. Now not give me thumbs up. Now drop your opinion. No, now drop my opinion. Give me thumbs up. Subscribe. No insult anybody. People, no insult anybody. Drop your opinion as you see. Okay, my people. Ciao.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt.